there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to manage direct message conversations in your inbox. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Let's first open our TikTok app. Let's go to our inbox by tapping on the inbox option over here. Just tap there. After tapping there, you will be taken to this interface where you can see all your chats who you've been chatting with. Now to delete a chat, you must tap and hold on the person whom you're chatting with. Okay, tapping it, and you can see these three options have appeared. And if you want to delete the chat, you can simply go and delete the chat, and it will give you a warning saying permanently delete this chat from your phone. Even though you delete the chat from your phone, the other person will be still able to view the chats. Okay, now let's delete it. And this is how you delete a chat in TikTok. And if you want to mute somebody, let's say for a moment I want to mute my friend over here whose name is Hakanbai. Let's mute him. And you again see when you tap and hold for a moment on the person whom you want to mute for a moment, that these three options will appear, and you can simply mute. And you can see the bell and the cross icon which appeared in the right side of the person's option, and you can see that means his messages are muted for you. And now guys, managing direct message conversation in TikTok is this easy. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.